The Matrix warned us about a distraction, but it wasn't the woman in the red dress. It was something far more dangerous. She was designed to pull our attention away from the agents that were lurking right behind you.
But if she walked past you today, I don't think you'd even notice.
Not because she isn't stunningly beautiful, but something else stole your attention.
Look around. No one's looking ahead. The distraction isn't her anymore. It's the phone.
It robbed us of something we won't realize until it's too late. We traded real moments for infinite scrolling.
Look at this guy. Phone out. Let's say he's single. One line to the woman next to him might even change his whole day. Maybe his month.
But he scrolls past that moment and never even realizes it happened. The paradox is this is the greatest invention of all time, and at the same time, it's erasing an entire layer of human connection. We've never had more ways to connect, yet people have never felt more alone. We were sold the idea that more choices equals more happiness. Netflix, Hulu, Prime.
Endless options at your fingertips.
Yet, nothing beat being a kid walking into a video store knowing you get one movie for the week. People scroll so long now, they practically finish the meal that they've once sat down to enjoy. That's what the Matrix was trying to warn us about. Not the agents, not the green code,
but the choice of comfort over the thing that actually grows you.
We forgot how to look someone in the eye.
How do we even make friends in real life?
And the scary part, stay on autopilot too long and you forget you were ever meant to choose at all.
Because I don't think anyone chooses to be average. I think they just stop choosing at all.
Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress?
If you grew up believing the sky was pink, you wouldn't question it. It would just feel normal to you.
The thing is happening with your attention, your social connections, your identity.
The Matrix isn't out there, it's in your pocket. And every time you choose it over real human connection, you inch closer to becoming a character from WALL-E. Put the phone down, look up, because life is still happening right in front of you, but only you choose to see it.